Hey folks, this is our barrel alarm timer, and what it does is it detects when a plating barrel stops rotating, which can be a real problem, having parts lost. So I have an example barrel. Actually, let's first go into the details of it. It consists of the electronics enclosure, which is currently plugged in, and then we have two elements to it. We have a proximity sensor, which will sense the flight bar or some metal part, and then we have a magnet, a reed switch, which senses the magnet. So here's the magnet that the reed switch will sense, and we have it's countersunk into the gear switch just a little bit. A little more stable mounting. That's a titanium screw keeping it on there. And anyway, we'll simulate a plating cycle by lowering the barrel, and you can see now the timer has started timing. In this case, our cycle is 15 seconds, and it started timing because the inductive proximity sensor is within 15 millimeters of the flight bar. So we're going to let it time out now to see what happens. And there's the alarm you get if there's no rotation detected. That's a very quiet alarm. We have it. There's some tape on the buzzer there, just to save my hearing. So what happens when the when that magnet is detected? Let's go see what's happening underneath. There's the magnet. So I'm going to rotate it. It's going to sweep past past this reed switch sensor, and when it does that, you can see that the timer is reset. I'm going to do it from the bottom. So now we're going to sweep past it again, and it resets. So we'll do it again, and it reset. I can't get both in the frame at once. There is the reset. So actually the magnet, the reed switch, is in the very bottom of this probe. We're going to take a look at it now and just see what it looks like. And so that's what the reed switch is like in the very bottom. So you can see that was almost 2 inches away from the magnet sensor. And and then when the barrel separates from the inductive proximity switch, the timing is going to go off like that. When another barrel comes into position, 15-second time interval again before you can. It resets to whatever the set time is, 15 seconds in our case, and the operator can silence the buzzer too, like so. And unlikely they'll forget about it, but if they do, it'll ring again in 30 minutes. And so that's our barrel rotation alarm for tanks. We have another one also, which is a battery-powered unit that mounts on the barrel, and it goes down the entire line with the barrel. So this one is line-powered, and it mounts, as you can see, on the tank, so in case you want to protect one particular critical tank.